There were some questions on Tuesday about how to draw objects that are floating in space, those that you can't just pull up right from the plan that you've drawn. So I've created this demo to show you how you would do that. So in this instance, we have a corner cabinet situation in your kitchen, which is also a little confusing because you have all the lines converging right here along this one back wall area, which is aligned with the front area, and everything projecting forward in space is all going to consistently be along this same line. So I've drawn the base cabinet here already, projected that up, and then you can see the wall I've post-shaded, and then here's the cabinets drawn in plan there. With this is the dashed line for the upper cabinets there. Since this is paraline projection, we can measure up and left and right in space at a 45-degree angle. So I've marked here the 3 feet up from the wall here in the back corner of the space, so that is where, as you can see, the base cabinet ends. This 4.5 foot would be an 18-inch backsplash, or I guess the bottom of your upper cabinet, and then 7 feet is where I chose to put the top of your upper cabinet here. So starting out, all we have to do then is project the bottom back of our cabinet and the top back of our cabinet this way and along the right. I'm saying that our uppers are going to end in exactly the same location as our lowers, so I can just project where I've ended the lowers here and say that that is the back line on the end of my cabinet run there. And so from here I'm just projecting forward the depth of my cabinet. So we know that's 12 inches because that is the standard depth of upper cabinets rather than 24, which your lower cabinets are. So I'm just going to take my scale, mark that off here. And we know that that is the depth of our cabinet. Oh, I should do it on the bottom too. Well, I guess I don't need to. I can just project it down here. Across the lines. You guys should be pretty familiar with this by now. How to do it once you locate it in space. We're coming across. It just happens that these are also going to meet at this back edge of the wall, because of the way we know that this is located in space when you have your corner this way. So that is the left side. Now the right side, we're also going to project forward. Remember, this is the back line of the wall. This is where the cabinets meet the wall. So I'm going to do another foot forward. Sure my T-square is straight here. Mark that as coming forward. We can double check here because these should meet at roughly the same spot there. This is going to project down. So I didn't quite draw it far enough, so I'll go back in and put that there. That would be your upper cabinets. And go ahead and draw the wall here if we're assuming it's not continuing, and that's going to be the whole of it. So we can go back in and erase some details just so this looks a little bit more realistic. Like, we wouldn't need that back corner line here. And now you can go ahead and measure in where your doors would be. So if I'm going to say I'm having, let's say I'm going to have 18-inch doors. Or we'll just make it 2 feet to make this simple. 2 feet. 2 feet. Then I'm pulling those up. There you go. My ruler slipped a little bit, but there you have it.